Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start MCQ question of class 12th Fundamental of Human Geography. This is primary activity. So let's get started with first question. Which one is relevant to the practice of mixed farming? Option A, huge land size. Option B, crop rotation and intercropping. Option C, use of chemical fertilization or fertilizer. Option D, mechanized farming. Its correct answer is option B, crop rotation and intercropping. Move to next region, which is not an area of dairy farming. Option A, Canada. Option B, Northwest Europe. Option C, Central China. Option D, Australia. Its correct answer is option C, Central China. Here, dairy farming is practiced in Canada, Northwest Europe, and Australia, but not in Central China. Move to next question. Which among following is not famous for Mediterranean farming? Option A, Tunisia to Atlantic coast. Option B, South California. Option C, West Australia. Option D, Central Argentina. Its correct answer is option D, Argentina, Central Argentina. Because here Tunisia to Atlantic coast, South California, West Australia. In these regions, in this area, Mediterranean farming is practiced. So, correct answer will be Central Argentina. Here, not famous for Mediterranean farming is asking. So, move to next question. Trout farming is indicate another name given for option A, mixed farming. Option B, dairy farming. Option C, horticulture. Option D, mining. Its correct answer is option C, horticulture. Here, trout farming is another name given for horticulture. In horticulture, perishable goods are produced and exported to urban market during night with truck due to its perishable in nature. So its correct answer will be horticulture is another name of truck farming. Move to next question number 4. Horticulture is done option A, near urban center. Option B, always urban center, always urban center. Option C, rural area. Option D, industrial region. Its correct answer is option A, near urban center. Move to next question number. Collective farming was also known as kolkhoz in dash. Option A, Central America. Option B, Soviet Union. Option C, China. Option D, Japan. Its correct answer is Soviet Union. Collective farming was also known as kolkhoz in Soviet Union. So its correct answer is Soviet Union. Move to next. Which method of mining is suitable for extraction of minerals located in deep beneath the earth? Option A, open cast mining. Option B, shaft mining. Option A, only A. Option D, both A and B. Its correct answer is option B, shaft mining. Here, open cast mining is used for open mining and shaft mining used for deep minerals located in deep of the earth. So move to next. Shaft mining is a dangerous because option A, presence of poisonous gases, option B, chances of fire and flood, option C, chances of collapsing of earth, option D, all of these above. Its correct answer is all of the above. In shaft mining, there will be happened presence of poisonous gases, chances of fire and flood, option C, chances of collapsing of roofs. So its correct answer is all of these above. Due to this, developed countries are escaping or avoiding to mining of minerals, mainly shaft mining. Move to next question number. Which one of the following is not a plantation crop? Option A, coffee. Option B, wheat. Option C, sugarcane. Option D, rubber. Here coffee, sugarcane, rubber, all these are plantation crop, and wheat is not a plantation crop. So its correct answer is option B, asking not a plantation crop. So its correct answer is option B, wheat. Move to next. In which one of the following countries cooperative farming was the most successful experiment? Option A, Russia, option B, India, option C, Denmark, option D, Netherlands. Its correct answer is option C, Netherlands. In Netherlands, cooperative farming was most successful experiment. Move to next. Here one case study is there. Ramesh is consulting to Alok for better production in agriculture through technological help. This kind of consultancy will be considered as option A, primary activity, option B, secondary activity, option C, tertiary activity, option D, quaternary activity. Its correct answer is option C, tertiary activity. If there is higher consultancy, then it will be quaternary activity. So move to next. Govind called, it is also another case study. Govind quarreled with his neighbor Ram. To solve his dispute, Govind takes help of Mr. Satyendra, who is an advocate. This consultation here will be collaborated as quoted as, sorry for writing mistake. Here option A, primary activity, option B, secondary activity, option C, tertiary activity, option D, quaternary activity. Here correct answer will be option C, tertiary activity, because here consultation will be tertiary, but if consultancy is more high or especially, then it will be quaternary activity or quaternary activity. Move to next. In the initial stages of economic development, larger number of people works in option A, factories, option B, offices, option C, politics, option D, agriculture. Its correct answer is agriculture. In the initial stages of economic development, larger number of people works in agriculture. Move to next. Take the correct correction about tertiary activity. Option A, production and consumption. Option B, consumption and exchange. Option D, production and exchange. Option D, production and transport. Its correct answer is option D, production and transport. Move to next. The main difference between tertiary activities and the main difference between secondary activities and tertiary activities is option A, skill, option B, experience, option C, knowledge, option D, all of these above. Its correct answer is all of these above. Move to next. The centers where retail, wholesale, or commerce are specially intended for profit are option A, recreation center, option B, sports centers, option C, trading centers, option D, none of these. Its correct answer is option D, option C, trading centers. Move to next. The center where local collection and distribution activities are done to fulfill the needs of nearby settlement are called option A, urban marketing, option B, rural marketing, option C, metropolis marketing, option D, none. Its correct answer is option B, rural marketing, because here local collection and distribution activity done to fulfill needs of nearby settlement. So its correct answer is option B, rural marketing. Move to next. Area where markets are organized at weekly intervals are called option A, periodic market, option B, mandis, option C, chain of market, option D, shopping. Its correct answer is option A, periodic market. It is very easy answer of this question. Move to next. Elaborate CBD. Here option A, Central Border District, option B, Central Business District, option C, Central Basic District, option D, none of this. Its correct answer is Central Business District. Option B will be correct answer. Next question. The business activity concerned with the sale of goods directly to the consumers is called option A, retail trading, option B, wholesale trading, option C, manufacturing, option D, none of these. Its correct answer is option A, retail trading, because there is sale of directly to the consumers. In wholesale trading, there is bulk of goods exchange between trading partners and producers. So thank you for watching this video. I will upload next MCQ, some important MCQ of Fundamental of Human Geography. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I will be motivated to upload MCQ video for your development, for your progress to score good marks in your board exam. Thank you.